Pagka sinabi pong bank, lahat po ng members ng Supreme Court, 15 of them, unanimous. Question, Mr. President, whether these are bank decisions or decisions by a division. And whether or not they were characterized by...
Sinabi ko rin na po kanina ang bank decisions po ito. Hindi po,
whether or not the decisions are characterized by the following qualifications. 1, unconstitutional, void ab initio, violative of due process. All these are present in those jurisprudence and cases as you cited?
Mr. That in fact, the Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before. Dalawa lang po ang ibibigay kong halimbawa. League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC. Original decision, 2008. Reversal on motion for reconsideration 2009. Isa pa pong halimbawa, International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications Inc. o ISAA et al. Versus Greenpeace Southeast Asia. Original decision, unanimous, December 8, 2015. Reversed unanimously on MR din, July 26, 2016. So, hindi lang po tulad nung sinabi ni Minority Leader na there's always a first time, it has happened before. So, yung ganitong klaseng milagro na hinahanap, posibleng mangyari din po dito sa kasong pinag-uusapan natin. Malay po natin. Salamat po, Mr. President. Salamat sa Gudjeto.
Senator Marcoleta.
May I know from the good senator if these decisions are bank decisions or divisions?
Yes, Mr. President, and bank decisions po.
Well, you have to cite the jurisprudence.
I gladly cite the GR number po bang hinihingi, Mr. President?
Pagka sinabi pong bank, lahat po ng members ng Supreme Court, 15 of them, unanimous.
To reiterate
kasi po, baka division lang yan, 5 lang yun. Hindi po bank
Mr.
yun.
President, to reiterate what I already said, mga ano po ito, mga reversal ng unanimous Supreme Court decisions.
Yes, but I am asking for qualification, Mr. President, whether these are bank decisions or decisions by a division. And whether or not they were characterized by...
Sinabi ko rin na po kanina ang bank decisions po ito. Hindi po,
whether or not the decisions are characterized by the following qualifications. 1, unconstitutional, void ab initio, violative of due process. All these are present in those jurisprudence and cases as you cited?
Mr. President, bagamat para itong yung pinag-uusapan natin kaninang operative facts, kanina simple lang yung tanong eh. May kaso na po ba na ang Supreme Court sa unanimous decision ay ni-reverse ang sarili nila? Ngayon may dinadagdag na tanong. Pero sige po, yung League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC, the Supreme Court in its original decision in 2008 unanimously declared the cityhood laws unconstitutional. I will have to get more information po on the ISAA reversal of unanimous decision. Pero malinaw na mga sagot na po ito dun sa original na tanong. So the original assertion na hindi po natin alam kung na-reverse na ng Supreme Court ang sarili nila sa original na unanimous decision has fallen by the wayside. Kasi the Supreme Court, as I said already earlier, has reversed a unanimous decision en banc in a lot of instances before.
Well, maasa pa rin kami dahil marami namang desisyon ang Supreme Court in the past na na-reverse. So, ito ang tanong lang, kung maibabasura ito, ang tanong dyan, asan yung 612.5 million? Ito yung tanong ng taong bayan eh. Kaya, hindi pwede itong i-archive, hindi pwede itong itago. No, kailangan talagang sagutin ni Sara Duterte itong impeachment. Tapos, syempre, ito lang yung nag-iisang, mabilis pamamaraan para panagutin ang mga impeachable officials doon sa kanilang pagwawaldas ng pondo ng mamamayan. Kaya, ang masasabi natin dyan ay sana ang mga senador, no, itong 19 na mga senador ay mag-isip-isip pa kayo dahil baka ang sumingil na sa inyo ay ang taong bayan.